G37 gang, I'm back here with another video, and this one's gonna be a little quick one. I got my ISR wide pipe in the mail. Sucks that I didn't get it sent to my house. I would like to show you guys the quality of it. It was good quality shit. 3-inch piping all around the whole wide pipe. Usually it's factory 2.5 inch. Yeah, I got it sent to the shop, so I really can't like show you guys. But when I get there, I guess I'll show you what I can before I actually put it on. And I'm kind of on a time frame putting it on, so it's gonna be like one of those fast forwarded videos with the music over top of it. But I'll give you a small sound clip at the end in comparison to what it sounded like before, as far as the hissing sound when letting off the throttle. That got fixed. But yeah, let's get to it. Put them in today. We got a 3-inch piping. So I gotta put them in. Let's get to it.
Hey, you a GoPro?
GoPro action.
GoPro action? Post on YouTube?
Popeye famous. Famous Popeye.
Yeah, I did alright last night. I mean, I got on for a little bit. I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna get off. I went to bed, like 9:30. I paid for like a half an hour. Like, fuck, I got like 6.8 ago. You get that, I've had that thing for like 4 months in that bitch. The double road ride.
Yeah. We finally got it. We all done.
50 fucking games.
Yeah, damn.
I mean, I would have had it 2 days in the fucking month probably, but nah, I know like 4 months later. I locked that one and one other one. I changed the road games, I got that one.
What's that?
What's this look like?
What's that?
What do you think it is?
What's this?
What's on top of the engine?
I don't know. What is that? What does it say? Oh, it's done. Probably transmission bad then. Transmission's probably bad.
So what does that mean? Whole new transmission?
Possibility.
How much is that?
Expensive.
Center located after.
It's like an O2 problem. That's nothing related to why I don't start. It's gonna work. I ain't even pop off. The wide puck actually was pretty good. Great price. Paid $210 ship from Injuku Racing, and it got rid of that hissing sound. So I'm happy with the results, man. Sorry for the dark quality in the video, but I had no time to record my commentary basically. So most of the video is gonna be that fast forward sound over, but yeah, I think it'd be a little cool video to show you guys the progress as we go. I try not to skip my upgrades, but it's the best I can do. Hopefully you guys like it. Subscribe, like it, don't like it, you know, just be active in the comments. Thanks for watching.